Hello, and welcome to meaningo, the next generation of online search products. In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate a new experience of searching for products online. The system is designed to help you define and find exactly what you have in mind. So let's start. Let's say that I'm looking for a new pair of evening shoes. I enter the meaningo site, www.meaningo.com, and type the keywords evening shoes. I have a vague image of the kind of evening shoes I'm looking for. I can see here different kinds of evening shoes, and here a list of relevant features. I'm interested in high-heeled shoes, so I will mark this feature. I would also like to choose ankle strap, and so I will mark that too. So now I click on the Done button, and look, the list is now much more interesting. It seems that I'm on the right track. Notice that for many features, additional information is available by placing the mouse over the I button. For example, here, the system presents the definition of the feature ankle strap. I can get more details about any of the items that appear in the list. For example, I can click on this image and a new panel is opened below. You can see here a bigger image, and here you will be able to see more images of the same item from different angles. I've just clicked on the small thumbnail and the image was replaced. Now I can also zoom in. This pair of shoes seems very nice. To open its page in the online store, you need to click on More Details. I would like to return to these shoes later, so I will add it to my favorites list. Okay, now I can continue and find more relevant shoes by adding more features. So I click on straps and heel cushion, and I can provide a weight for each feature that indicates its significance. For example, evening shoes get a weight of 5, since this is the main object I'm looking for. Then I set the other weights as I want, and click Done. In this way, I create an image of the shoes that best suit my needs. Now let's take another, more advanced example. Suppose I would like to buy a new long-sleeved shirt for a man. I will type in the search box the keywords long sleeves, shirts for men. The meaningo understands what we meant and divides my query into 3 features: long sleeves, men, and shirts. It then populates the page with many long-sleeved shirts for men. In the results, I see different kinds of shirts. I definitely don't want long-sleeved t-shirts, so I can set the weight of this feature, t-shirt, to 0. I scroll down to see other features. Hey, I've just remembered that the shirt should be 100% cotton. So I mark this suggested feature and add it to my query, pressing the Done button. And sure enough, the system refines my query. Okay, so now, since I would like these shirts to be a bit more elegant, I add manually the feature elegant to my query. To do so, I click on Add Options. A new field appears. I type elegant, set the weight of this feature to 3, and press Done. As expected, the system complies and returns shirts which are more elegant. Let's try to set the weight of the elegant feature to its maximum. I set the weight and press Done, and the system retrieves shirts which are even more elegant than before. Good, but let's go back to the previous set of shirts. I can do so by clicking on the back button in the browser. Now I can also add the price as a feature in the system. I simply type my price and set its weight. Remember, if the weight of the price is set to its maximum, all the returned items will be almost identical to the indicated price. While if I set the price feature to be less crucial in my overall decision, the range of prices will be wider. From all the 6 items that are presented in this page, I like the gray shirt in the middle, presented by a model, the most. To get more of its kind, I can just click on the Similar Product button, and the system retrieves some other very elegant shirts. Interestingly, the system indeed identifies my personal taste. I'm not sure whether it was the shirts that I liked or the person who was wearing it. Let's keep this shirt in my bookmarks so I will be able to buy it later. While I continue my search for shirts, I can type any query I want in the search box. Solid black dress shirt for men. Oops, I just see I made a spelling mistake. If the meaningo engine identifies a spelling mistake, it will indicate that by a red label. Clicking on the red arrow button opens a pop-up menu, which helps me select the right form. The system can also help me find related features. For example, in this query, I can open the menu attached to the black feature and replace it with the word dark. Great! Clicking on Done reveals dark, elegant shirts. Let's try it again. I open the menu of the dark feature and replace it with light. Click on Done, and all the dark-colored shirts have been changed to light-colored shirts. That's it! As simple as that! Feel free to use the meaningo search engine, the only search engine where you can pinpoint your search and home in on what you really have in mind.